A great garden can really complete your home. It'll increase all of your usable space, and when you're finished, you'll find yourself outside using every inch of your property. And the great thing is, there are many different types to choose from with function, form or fantasy. With clever design, you can really pick a style that suits your lifestyle, including functional zones for fruit and vegetables, a kids zone, or a bit of grass for some backyard footy. So no matter if you want one or all of these, there are some fundamentals to consider when designing and building a great garden for your place. In this video, we're going to show you how to plan, design and construct your garden. The first step to any garden is locking down your budget. Then consider a style of garden that best suits the design of your home. Then functionality, what do you want the garden to do? Some questions to ask yourself before you get started are, is the garden going to be for the children or pets? Is the garden going to be functional or ornamental? Or is the garden just going to be for chilling out and relaxing? Take into account aspects. Take note of where it is sunny and where it is shady at specific times of the day. Also, when designing your garden, consider your location because different plants will flourish in different parts of the country. Before you get started, check with council and other regulatory bodies to see if there's any permission required for your garden design. First up, sketch out your design. It doesn't matter whether or not you are building a lawn or a garden bed. Having a design is the ideal way to make sure what you're doing fits the space. Think about where each of the areas should sit in your garden and how they tie back to the function of the space. Veggies, for example, need to be in full sun. Paths create journeys through your garden and lead you to your destination. When designing a garden, there are two elements you need to consider: hardscapes and softscapes. Hardscapes are the things that are built to define and frame your garden, like planter boxes, paths and retaining walls. Your softscapes are all your plant material. One of the most common and useful hardscapes are raised garden beds. Raised garden beds are a great idea as they are easier to work on. You can add new soil that makes the plants thrive and they create a bold statement that defines areas. Your path should lead you on your destination. In this case, for example, the path takes us from the street straight to the front door. In store, there are loads of options to choose from when it comes to creating hardscapes. You can build beds and retaining walls out of many materials, including timber sleepers, brickwork and hebel, and paths out of pavers, bricks or soft landscaping materials. Check our D.I.Y advice section for all the advice you need. Try to retain areas with edging to contain and define zones. Then it's the fun part, choosing your plants. Head in store and seek some advice from team members. Generally speaking, it's a good idea to plant low-growing plants with accents that are taller. Planting in groups also creates volume and uniformity. Choose your plants and lawn based on function and position. The nursery is divided into areas that help with selection. Once at home, add some good organic matter into your garden beds and lawn areas. It's at this time you would add an irrigation system to your garden. There are plenty in store to choose from. Then just come home and plant out your garden beds and lay down your new lawn. What a great feeling it is knowing that you've built all of this yourself.
Thanks for watching. You'll find everything you need to complete this project on our website, or just keep watching for another video.